Welcome to In Nature's Realm. My name's Bruce Smith, and today I'm fly fishing Lauiston Reservoir. And as you can see, the scenery here in Lauiston is just fantastic. And Lauiston is only an hour's drive from Melbourne, near the township of Kyneton, and it is a fantastic lake. It holds brown trout. Occasionally they stock rainbow trout and also redfin. And the great aspect of this lake is that, especially for fly fishing, is the mayfly hatches that happen in the springtime. In the summertime you have great grasshopper hatches, and right now it's winter, and the food that the trout feed on in winter mainly is bait fish and smelt. That is the food items that we will be imitating today and fishing today. So let's give this lake a go and see if we can catch a trout or two. Okay, now I've got a trout rising right out in front of me. Now, I said before that, well, the last trout I caught was blind fishing, but now the tables have turned. This trout is now on the calm side of this ripple, and there's actually insects right in front of me, and they're actually very big. I wouldn't mind betting they're aquatic beetles just floating on the surface there. Now this ripple is going to make this dangerous now. There he is. He's just right out in front of me. I'm going to put the fly to him just there. Will he take it? Now I've got a smelting fly on, and he's rising to beetles and midges. So my chances of catching him are reduced, but he's rising around me, and I don't dare change flies right now where I had a chance before. I caught one on a smelting fly. Why can't I on this one? So we'll continue to fish this smelt pattern fly. And those insects are floating towards me right now. I should soon be able to identify as to what they are. Right now he's stopped rising, so what we do, cast out to the side, and we'll wait for him to come up again. Give us the best chance. And you wouldn't believe this, But those insects in front of me, I'm pretty sure they are, well, it couldn't be, could it? Bees? Or are they blowflies? Hang on, I haven't got my glasses on. I'll just slowly walk up to these insects here and just see. Now these fish may not be right. Yep, they're bees. I can't believe it. It's the middle of winter and we've got bees floating on the surface of Lauiston Reservoir. And in amongst the bees, there's absolutely hundreds of midge. So my guess is that this midge is actually, this trout or these trout are feeding on midge. Trout is, oh, jeez, I had a touch. You are kidding me. Oh, I'll put it out there again. This is going to make it difficult now because, yes, got him. Okay, I've caught him. Yes, he's taken the smelt fly. How fantastic is that? There, beautiful. Whoa! And he's going up in the air. Oh. Whoa! Well, he's jumping and he's leaping. How fantastic is this? And this is the fishing you can get at Lauiston Reservoir. An hour's drive from Melbourne. And absolutely fantastic fish. And this fish is, again, like the other fish, he would be around about 2 pound, maybe more. And I'm going to slowly bring him over to the camera so that you can see him. Now, these trout are rising, and I'm pretty sure they're taking, whoa, I'm pretty sure they're taking midges. Well, I'm not sure, I know they're taking midges. And let's bring him over. He's still very green. Actually, look, there's beetles, there's midges, there's bees. It's like it's springtime. It really is incredible. Right. Right, let's bring him towards me. That fly line's caught around my leader there. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just bring this trout up to the camera. Get him away from there. And he's a good fish too. He's a very good fish. And there we have a beautiful brown trout. Oh yeah, he's a good pound, half nudging 2 pound easy. Beautiful fish, and as you can see, he's got all his fins, so that tells me he's a wild brown trout, where the other one was fin clipped, which means he was probably a stockfish. So let's get this fly out of his mouth. There we go, nice. Now, how beautiful is that fish, people? Okay, this is why I love to go fly fishing, to catch beautiful trout like this, brown trout, and I go every week for it. It's just magnificent. You've got to do it. If you're a person that wants to get into fly fishing, do it. If you're a person that is fly fishing, come to places like this, Lauiston Reservoir. And, and we can release our trout in a number of ways. That's probably not the best way to release a trout, but he slipped out. But he's on his way. He's gone. And another fly fisherman will catch him another day. So come to Lauiston Reservoir. It's a great place to come fishing. See you next time.